we'd like to introduce a sort of clearer language for what people call loops. So this is really forms the basis of what John and I have come up with, what he's going to deal with.
Thank you, Roland. So difficult intubation and how to deal with it, this doesn't just cover loops, but we'll focus on the loops. Oops, there we go. So if you're thinking about the factors that make it difficult, you need knowledge, basics, technique, aids, patient factors, problem solving. So what I would say is that the knowledge and the basic technique, that's your problem. You need to sort that out. Otherwise, what wouldn't be a difficult problem becomes a difficult problem. And then we've got technical aids, which we're discussing. The scope tracking device is one, distal tips are another, there are one or two others, fluid, etc. Then there is the patient factors, and some are predictable and some are not.